And another thing about iPhone leaks, everyone have seen the smaller dock connector now. Nothing's exciting about that anymore because it will have a smaller dock connector, I'm sure of that. But what I will talk about now is that I think Apple are doing another kind of dock connector because it will support USB 3.0. I'm sure of that. All the new MacBooks has USB 3.0 now, and for example, when I recording this vlog at my lunch at work, I transfer this video to my MacBook Air, and that takes quite long time because the iPhone 4S only support USB 2.0, and if the new iPhone will support USB 3.0 through the new dock connector, then it will be much faster transferred to my MacBook Air. So that's why I think the new iPhone will support USB 3.0. And I'm really confident about that. I'm sure of that. It will support USB 3.0.